Hello, on this video I will show you how to use the new VA2 full profile tool for open French cars like Renault and Citroën, also Smart. In two words, anything which use VA2 you can open with this decoder. To reset the decoder and to prepare it for the opening, you should rotate this wheel totally to the right, then use the calibrated setup device. You have to go here at the side. You can see that we have a circular hole and quadra hole. In one side you have 2 quadra, on the other side you have 4. You have to inject in that way this calibrated needle and press only when you see the quadra hole. In fact, on this side, on those 2, turn the 2, inject on the other side in the 4 quadra holes. Attention, the orientation of the setup device. If you insert it like this, it's not enough because it's top a little before. You must insert it in that direction so you have a good setup dimension here, and the pin will be okay. The next step is to discover the orientation of the lock. Usually when you have a vertical, let's mount one vertical lock. When you have a vertical lock, when you rotate here, the needles came out, then they go back. When you have a vertical lock, usually the needles must be down. Let's check if it's true or not. Yes, that is the orientation of the vertical. Now when you are in the lock, the important point is that without any tension left or right, you should go here with this line, and from this point you can apply tension and pump to maximum. Then turn a little bit back, again no tension, come to the start line, tension to the left and pump to maximum. Neutral, a little bit back, start point, pump. That is everything we have to do with the procedure, and you have the lock open. Now to extract the tool, you should go totally to the right and only then extract. If you forget to go to the right, you see the pins. If you want to extract the tool now, you break the pins and you destroy the tool. For that reason, obligatory turn to the right. Let's see another scenario. We have again a vertical lock. Let me check if this is a key for that lock. Yes, that is a brand new lock. This is the configuration of the key. You see the crazy wave here. But look what happened when you insert the turbo decoder. That is for this lock. I will get another one. Pins are set it up. We say 4 pins down. Let's go in. We are in the lock, and you see the lock turn immediately. What is strange? The strange is that this lock, the pins of the lock go in those waves here and here, and they are close to the original configuration, and there is a pretty funny thing that you just insert and turn. Very funny. If you don't insert it all the way in, you see that the lock doesn't turn. It means that the lock is not compromised. It still didn't remove it, and everything is in the original status. Let's see this lock. It's a low class lock used by those vehicles. Here I have to discover the orientation. Probably the locks stay like this on the car. Let's try with the 4 pins down. If I'm not sure about the orientation, let me check. The same situation, you see it? The lock turned. It's very funny. So, what I have to say, I don't know. But if the orientation is not good, what happened? You see, the lock doesn't turn. Now, I apply tension, and I feel that the back wheel turn a little bit freely, not with the resistance. That is a sign that the tool is not correctly orientated. So please go right, extract, rotate. But let's do the procedure. So it's open here, no problem. Let's do the procedure. Keep the tool in neutral, come here. You see that the tool doesn't turn the lock now. You have to make the procedure. Now this is the real opening, and we have the code imprinted on the sliding pins. If you take a look, you will see only a couple of them emerge. It means that the configuration of this lock contained too much deep cuts. Let's take a look at this one, which is a horizontal. So you see the horizontal keyway, and usually the orientation of this lock is with the four pins at the right. So I have to insert the tool like this. Let's go. Insert the tool. Now the problem is that I have to look at the side for the scale, and to let you see better what you have to follow, I will rotate the lock like this. Without tension, we have to increase the rotation, come line to the start, tension, and pump to maximum. Turn a little bit back, without tension, come here, and that you have to repeat. So the question is how many times you have to pump. That is depend of your tension force. If you are too weak with the tension force, you should pump much more. If you are too strong, probably you will engage the protection of the lock and you do nothing. So you have to find your way with how much tension you have to work with this turbo decoder. And there is opening of the horizontal locks, extraction, and so. And here is the old style. They are vertical. Let's make a try on this one. Once again, I will put 4 pins down. Without tension, let's go here, tension, pump, and on the other side the same. It's absolutely normal when you miss the opening on some locks. You have a couple of choices. You can start from here after the line. It means that you will pump just a little bit the pins, or you can increase the pumping by start from here. It's a matter of practice. It's not so easy to figure. It's not so difficult to figure out what exactly happened inside of the lock, and so you have to try it in a few ways. Another advice is to clean the lock with W40, just to remove the dust or the powder. The two work on clean locks, working original locks, not Chinese aftermarket lock. Now in this case I increase the pumping by start a little before the line, and if I make, let's say, 20 pumps, I will give up. We will extract the tool, or I will try to show you what happened at the inside, because this is a cutted lock. Let's see what happened. You see the pins, and what can I tell you? I tell you that I have overpumped those pins, or the orientation is wrong. Let's see the tool. You see that the pins doesn't move. So the problem is that the orientation of that lock is not with the 4 pins down, but with the 4 pins up. Let's repeat the situation. Four pins up, and a repeat. It means that if you not insert the tool correctly, you don't destroy it, you just not open, and you see this lock turning. So I think that I have covered the big part of the VA2 locks, and you see the tool working on every single of them. Please follow those instructions. Together with the tool, we supply a small box with the spare pins. When the pin traction become so easy, so sloppy, and the pin move very easy up and down, we suggest you to change the pins. And here inside you found enough pins to make the tool working for a long time. That is everything from me at the moment. If you have any questions, email me, and good luck with the TurboDecoder.